Synthetic mulches are allowed in organic systems. However, they must be picked back up at the end of the growing season. In order to use a non-synthetic mulch in an organic system, that mulch must not be contaminated with a prohibited substance, like an inorganic herbicide residue. You can also grow your own mulch. So behind me here, we have a rye cover crop that was planted late last fall, overwintered, and then grew again this spring. This can all be rolled and crimped down once it reaches the appropriate stage, and it'll be terminated to form a nice mat. At that point, you can plant into that mat. We'll transplant, I think it's some brassicas here behind me, into this rye. The only thing to be aware of, if you do choose to roll and crimp a cover crop, make sure that you allow at least 2 weeks, 2 to 3 is preferred, before you plant your next cash crop. As this dies, it'll still compete a little bit for water and other resources with your cash crop, and that could potentially stunt it. It's also important for the organic grower to know their cover crop well. What time of the year should you seed it, and at what stage should you terminate it? So this rye here behind me should be terminated when it's in dough stage, before it reaches a hard seed. Thanks for joining us as we learn more about organic weed suppression and specifically about mulches. We hope that this video has helped you figure out which kind of mulch best suits your farm and your purposes. Stay tuned to learn more about organic farming here at the Center for Arkansas Farms and Food.